Hello friends, Richard Fearley here with Tech is Simple with a very exciting video today. I just got a new box from FedEx. And guess what? We have inside pre-ordered Galaxy Note 10, which I am incredibly excited about. Got this for my wife for some of the amazing capabilities that this device has. So first thing, like in the box, got a couple security seals on it. You can see the emblazoned Note 10 on the side. And then a kind of a cool holographic pen logo right there as well. But the box may be cool, but we want to see what is inside. Thank you very much, Samsung. All right, so here we go. Boom. Right off the gate, you can see phone right on top. Don't waste any time having that right there, front and center. In the top though, so real quick on the box, got a little insert. Got a SIM popper included on the back there. Always convenient to have a few of those around. And then probably the usual paperwork and things like that. Hey, there you go. This is delivered with a screen protector. Yeah, so cool. Kind of nice that they do build those in. Quick reference guide, a few simple things from there. But put that aside for now and see what else came inside our lovely box here. So, as you can see, got the screen protector. You can see the punch out there on the camera. But on the back, this is by far the coolest part of this phone. It's kind of hard to see, but the back is an incredible holographic display. It really reflects the light, super beautiful. Now, from a technical standpoint, they call this silver aura. But as you can kind of see, it catches light all over the place. And you can see just how good the mirror finish is on that, even just on my hand there. So we're gonna set this aside for a second, see what other goodies we got in here. Got a nice little cover for all the other Samsung components. We got a few little things. So I got a Type-C charger included with this. Okay, cool. So this is going to be a fast charger from Samsung. This is the first one that they've had a Type-C charger on, actually, so I'm kind of impressed with that. It looks like it's going to be pretty good as well. We have a cable. Going to be Type-C to Type-C, I'm betting. Yep, absolutely. So you can see Type-C on both ends right there for that. And then some headphones. So these are going to be AKG headphones. I'm imagining they're going to be the same. Actually, no, I take that back. I can see from the buttons here, this is going to be a different headset than what came with the S10 models. So a little bit different than what they've previously had. I'm going to be curious to try those out and see how they sound. It's been hit and miss for me with their other phones. So lifted this up here. So we got an adapter. Now I will be using this adapter in a separate video here very shortly that I'll upload talking about using Samsung Smart Switch. So this little guy right here just simply plugs into the bottom of the phone and allows you to transfer information from one device to the other. So really, really nice little utility thing there. Full-size USB on the bottom. This does also allow you to use external storage options. So if you have a full-size USB or a card reader of some kind, you can plug it into there and allow your phone to read that as well. Looks like we had one other little tidbit in here, if I can get to it. Oh, they tucked that away real nice. So this is actually replacement tips for the pen itself on the phone. So if we come back over to the Note 10, you can see embedded down here, it's pretty flush, but if we click this, that is how we take the pen out. Oh, nice. And much like the color on the box, this is a blue pen, which does go very well with the silver, I might add. But you can see the tip there on the top. So if that does get damaged over time, you can replace it with this little kit right here that they included in the bottom of the phone as well. So I am really excited to get this guy up and running. You can see a couple of really nice features on this phone. They have two separate microphones at the top of the device that allow you to do noise cancellation, SIM card slot over here, button arrays on the side, and a lack of a headphone jack. So keep that in mind. This particular phone is Bluetooth only, so you are going to want to keep that in mind when making your purchasing decisions. Well, so that's pretty much everything for it right now as far as getting this guy unboxed. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. And as always, remember, tech is simple.